July 1969, man set foot on the moon and ventured where no man had gone before. Now, almost a half a century later, the next epic exploration of space is just beginning. Buzz Aldrin, the second man to set foot on the moon, describes this unexplored and unsettled frontier in his book, Mission to Mars. The city of Los Angeles has the potential to lead the exploration and the colonization of Mars as it did in the Apollo and Space Shuttle missions. The Santa Susana Field Laboratory, which contains the original Apollo and Space Shuttle test stands, is the keystone and symbolizes the transformation of LA's World War II aviation manufacturing to Cold War aerospace research and development programs. If the rocket test stands are preserved, they will serve to inspire a new transformation and a new generation of talent. On September 8, 1980, Congress passed Public Law 96-344, which officially started the recognition process of key locations associated with the theme Man in Space. It states that the Secretary of the Interior should conduct a study to identify the possible locations, components, and features of a new unit of the National Park System commemorative to this theme, with special emphasis to be placed on the internationally historic event of the first human contact with the surface of the moon. Landmarks such as the Santa Susana Field Laboratory, which has not yet been recognized as a national landmark, fit into the legislation's description as a location instrumental to the moon landing missions. The Los Angeles aerospace industry is the reason Neil Armstrong could say in his famous words, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." All of this is centered on the Santa Susana Field Laboratory. Just opposed to the test stand is a 900-year-old Chumash cave painting of the stars. According to Rocketdyne, a small tribe of American Indians called the Chumash occupied the rocky and somewhat forbidding hills that mark the northwestern corner of the San Fernando Valley at least 900 years before we shattered the stillness with the roar of rocket engines. At a distance of nearly a millennium, the people that lived on the hill actively addressed the stars. Research and development in robotic technology, commercialized aerospace, and ultra-green living will dominate the early years of the Mars program. The Jet Propulsion Laboratory, SpaceX, and local university programs exemplify LA's dominant capabilities and resources. Also, living green is living light on Spaceship Earth. Perfecting this process on Earth will ensure mission success on Mars. From cocoon enclosures to renewable energy, from locally grown food to zero waste, incubators such as LaCret's Innovation Campus demonstrates LA's commitment to world leadership in green innovation. But in order to lead the Mars program successfully, the city will require a dramatic expansion of these assets to attract exceptionally talented people and world-class businesses from around the globe. LA already has a massive investment in public infrastructure such as mass transit, water and energy project, and parks. But more can be done to maximize their potential success. With a few simple projects and civil replanning, we can help improve the livability and image of Los Angeles. In addition to a more modern city, the unique opportunity to align these projects simultaneously with the Mars-related research would bring in unfathomable innovation and boost the local economy. Buzz Aldrin ended his book with 3 questions directed at the nation. America, do you still dream great dreams? Do you still believe in yourself? Are you ready for a great national challenge? These questions highlight the need for things that can inspire, which is the very purpose of a national monument. Recognizing the monumental test stands will cause Angelenos to dream, to believe, and to meet the challenges of leading the mission to Mars.